distinguished guests, respected faculty, proud parents, and talented Almanar graduates. Welcome to the Almanar Convocation Ceremony. Today is a day of pride and accomplishment, celebrating the dedication of our students of Almanar. Quranic preschool are crucial for establishing a solid spiritual and moral foundation, fostering a lifelong love for the Quran, and instilling Islamic values like empathy, honesty, and respect from young age. They provide early exposure to Arabic, strengthen a child's connection with Allah, and support and cognitive and social development such as improved discipline and emotional stability. In Almanar Quranic Preschool, we teach religious teachings with daily life and academic education. Now we proceed to the most awaited moment, the awarding of degrees. I invite Aban K, son of Hafiz Azad and Danisha P, Kundumal House, Chatamunda, for receiving his award. On stage we have Aban K, son of Hafiz Azad and Danisha P, Kundumal House, Chatamunda, for receiving his convocation degree. Zuhair Maulavi is conferring the degrees upon the worthy students. Next, we have Afzan Ahmad KV, son of Abdul Aziz KV and Dr. Baby Shabna, Kirvitil House, Mampoil Chungatra. Degree is conferring by a chairman Abubakar Sulami. Thank you, sir. Next, we have Ayhan Rashid A, son of Abdul Rashid and Sherin Banu Pukotumanna, for receiving his degree. I call upon Ayhan Rashid, son of Abdul Rashid and Sherin Banu Pukotumanna, for receiving his degree. I call upon Mr. Kuti Hassan to confer the degree on the worthy student. Thank you, sir. Next, Aman Hashir C, son of Binu Hashir and Hasna, Changarat House, Chungatra. I call upon Aman Hashir, son of Binu Hashir and Hasna, Changarat House, Chungatra, to receive his award. I request Kalaiman to confer the degree upon the worthy students. Thank you, sir. Next, I invite Ayan K of KG3, son of Hafiz Azad and Danisha, Kundumal House, Chatamunda, for receiving his degree. I request Mr. Asif Ali to confer the degree upon the worthy student. Thank you, sir. Next, I invite Famiz Rayan K, son of Mustafa and Salma, Karkuril House, Chatamunda, to receive his award. I invite Mr. Illikal Kunyu to confer the degree. On stage we have Famiz Rayan K, son of Mustafa and Salma, Karkuril House, Chatamunda, to receive his prestigious Almanar Award. Thank you, sir. Next, I invite Jafin Rahman K, son of Mr. Yunus and Shabnas PM, Karkuril House, Chatamunda. I invite Mr. Salim Mambali to confer the degree upon the worthy student. On stage we have Jafin Rahman K of KG3 to receive his prestigious Almanar Award. Thank you, sir. Next we have Zayan PS, son of Sadiq Ali PV and Ansira, Pulat House, Mukkam Munderi, to receive his award. I call upon Mr. Karim Changarat to confer the degree. On stage we have Zayan PS to receive his award, and our respected Karim Akka is conferring the degree to Zayan PS, son of Sadiq Ali PV and Ansira. Thank you, sir. Next we have Afna AF, daughter of Farooq Abdullah and Jasna V, Aryangad House, Sultanpadi, Chathamunda, to receive his award. Next on stage we have Afna AF of KG3 to receive her. I call upon Muhammad Devi Master to confer the degree upon Afna. Next I invite Yahya A, son of Abdul Muswar and Hanna Nasir, Darun Najat House, Chungatra, to receive his award. I request Mr. Amir to confer the degrees upon the worthy student. On stage we have Yahya A, son of Abdul Muzawir and Hanan Nazir, Darun Najat House, Chungatra. He is receiving his prestigious Almanar Award. Thank you, sir. Next we have Faiza Zain M, daughter of Nishad M and Sitara Parveen, Mandoni House, Kurumbalangod, to receive his award. Next on stage we have Faiza Zain, daughter of Nishad and Sitara Parveen, to receive her Almanar prestigious award. I request a prestigious manager to confer the degree. Thank you, sir. Next we have Shaza Fatima EA, daughter of Fahad EA and Shaiba, Edapetta House, Portugal. Shaza, I invite you to receive your award. I request Jamshid sir to confer the award. With that, KG3A convocation ceremony is getting over. Now we have KG3B session. We have Abshan Muhammad K, son of Muhammad Shafil and Mubina, Kallingal House, Kurumbalangod. I request Mr. Shamjas to confer the degree. Shamjas is our prestigious student of Najatul Anam, and moreover, he is a PhD scholar too. Thank you, sir. Next we have Ahmad Aman P, son of Haris PK and Sirin Mirza, Paramben House, Velumbiampadam, to receive his Almanar Award. Thank you, sir, for conferring the degree. Next we have Ahmad Hanan P, son of Haris PK and Shirin Mirza, Paramban House, Velumbiampadam. I request Moideen Swalahi sir to confer the degree upon the worthy student. Thank you, sir. Next we have Ajyadiyam, son of Anish and Safina P, Murkan House, Andikunna Chungatra, to receive his award. I request our Chief Imam, Maulavi Ali, Abdul Ali, to confer the degree. Next I invite Amin, son of Faisal Babu and Rahianat P, Punnapala House, Mundapadam, to receive his award. I invite Dr. Habiba teacher to confer the degree. Next on stage we have Ayan KP to receive his prestigious Almanar Award, son of Rashid Ali and Farsina K, Kakapara House, Karulai. Thank you, teacher. Next we have Ayan KP, son of Rashid Ali and Farsina, Karulai, to receive his prestigious Almanar Award. I request Mr. Abdul Razak Madini to confer the degree upon the worthy student.